craving something rich, chocolatey, and loaded with cookies and cream goodness, but don't feel like turning on the oven? This Oreo Nutella Swirl mug cake is soft, fluffy, packed with crushed Oreos, and hiding a gooey Nutella center. And we're finishing it with a silky cream cheese chocolate frosting, all made in just minutes. Let's get started. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake its soft, tender base. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder so the cake rises nice and fluffy. Give the dry ingredients a quick mix so everything is evenly combined. Now pour in 4 tablespoons of milk for moisture. You can use any type of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil for richness, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Now add 1 tablespoon Nutella, crush 2 Oreo cookies, and fold them into the batter. Mix gently so those cookies and cream bits are evenly spread throughout the cake. Pop the mug into the microwave and cook for about 70 seconds, but keep in mind that microwave power can vary depending on the wattage. For best results, start with 50 seconds, then continue heating in 5-second bursts until the cake is fully cooked. Let it rest for a minute. It continues to cook slightly as it cools. While the cake rests, let's make a quick cream cheese chocolate frosting. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Give it a quick mix. Add just a few drops of milk and mix until smooth, creamy, and spreadable. Adjust the milk if needed for the perfect consistency. Spread the frosting generously over the slightly warm mug cake. Let it melt just a little into the top for that bakery-style finish. Finish with a sprinkle of crushed Oreos on top for extra cookies and cream flavor and a little crunch. And there you go. A warm, fluffy Oreo Nutella Swirl mug cake with a gooey chocolate center and creamy frosting on top. Quick, indulgent, and completely satisfying. The perfect single-serve treat whenever that chocolate craving hits. Loved this mug cake? You can grab my full mug cake recipe collection as a PDF on Etsy, link in bio.